Hi friends! Today we're going to be drawing a cute picture of a cupcake, so let's get started. So grab a pencil, and if you want the same pencil as me, look in the description box of this video. And we're going to get started by drawing the yummiest part first, the cherry. You're going to draw a smile, just like that, and make a little half of a circle and another half of the circle. Then you're going to draw another tiny little smile inside and the stem. Then you're just going to thicken up that stem by drawing a second line. And let's start doing the whipping cream. You want to do 2 curved lines like that. You want to make sure this is nice and fluffy. And later on you can color it any color you like. But just keep doing these curvy kind of lines. Each one is getting bigger, and then on the bottom, we're just doing smiley face lines. And see how I did that? A smiley face, another smiley face, and a smaller smiley face. So easy! Then you're going to do the same little ditty on the bottom. This is kind of the fluffy part of the cupcake. So 4 connected smiley faces right there. And then 2 straight lines for the bottom of the cupcake and a softer kind of smiley face connecting those 2 lines. Then you're going to do the lines, straight lines, nothing too complicated, and we're done. Can you believe it? I can't wait to see how you decorate, and I'll see you in the next one.